Just keep it between the white buoy and the coming over there, and the white buoy here. You've got to stay in this zone. Try not to go too near the trees. Any controls, stop and go. See you. Controls here, turn right.
You're right, Captain. You're right, Captain.
I don't know how to drive, but I'm driving. La 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 la. I love this. Hey.
Let's go straight. Let's go straight for that.
Oh God.
Oh wow.
Oh God. Should I go into the water fountain? Yeah.
Wow, this does look really cool round here.
Spinning.
So we're literally right at the back of Lakeside, by the shopping centre.
Uh-oh, I didn't.
It's okay. It's okay. Right. Start turning it a bit.
Oh, we gotta go that
Yeah.
way.
That's not. That's not how you drive.
I don't know. Driver's captain order.
You're right, Captain.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna do some spins. Wait, can we now spin? Like that. Let's go. Captain speaking. We're in for a crash. We had to jump up the boat.
You what?
We had to go. Oh God! You're gonna crash. Oh God! I want to touch on the buses. Why that water different colour? Swish the rain. Oh, they're turning.
Right, turn your wheel.
That should we go under there?
No, you're not allowed. You've got to stay away from the edge, they said.
It's my rules now. Sorry.
Hey guys! How cool is that? I want to swap.
How you feeling, UK? How the other half live?
Go check out miniport.co.uk. That was really cool. That was fun. It was relaxing. How'd you feel? Peace.